Hello, in this video, we are doing difference of square formula for these polynomials with little harder questions. So 9x to the power 4 minus 100. First step is to write both as squares. So 3x square and square. Check and see this equivalent to 9x to the power 4. So 3 square is 9, x2 times power 2 is 2 times 2 becomes 4, minus 10 square. Now both the expressions are a square minus b square form. The factors are a plus b, that is 3x square plus 10 and 3x square minus 10. Same way 98x square minus 50. So here we cannot make perfect squares, so they are divisible by 2. So we take out 2 common. So we get 49x square minus 25. Now this bracket we can write as difference of square formula. So 2. So 49x square we can write 7x square minus 25 is 5 square. Now factors are 2, 7x plus 5 and 7x minus 5. Similarly here 4x square minus 36. We see what is common factor. We can divide both by 4. So take out 4 common. So we get x square minus 9. So now we can factor this bracket as difference of square. So 4x square minus 9 is 3 square. So we get 4x plus 3 and x minus 3. Next question, 36 x square minus 121. So first we write as a square. So square root of 36 is 6x square minus square root of 121 is 11 square. Now the factors are 6x plus 11 and 6x minus 11. Here 3x square minus 27. So we can divide both by 3. So take out 3 common factor. We get x square minus 9. So now we can write as a different square formula. 3x plus square root of 9 is 3 square. So we get x plus 3 and x minus 3. Here 5y square minus 80. So again we can take common factor as 5. So we can divide both by 5. So we get y square minus 16. So now we can write this bracket as difference of square formula. So 5y square minus 4 square. So we get 5y plus 4 and y minus 4. Okay. Next question, 16x to the power 4 minus 81y to the power 4. So first we write as square. So 16 square root is 4 x square square minus 81 is square root of 81 is 9 y square square. So this is a square minus b square. Factors are a plus b. So 4x square plus 9y square. And the other factor will be 4x square minus 9y square. Now here 144 x to the power 6 minus 225 y to the power 4. So first we write as a square. So square root of 144 is 12. And we have to write outside square. So x to the power 3 and square. Check and see this should come equal to this. So 12 square is 144. x3 to the power 2. So x to the power 6 minus for 225 we can write as 15 x y square square. So 15 times 15 is 225. Y square times to the power 2 is y to the power 4. Now we write a plus b, a minus b expression. So 12x cube plus 15 y square. One factor. Other factor will be 12x cube minus 15 y square. Again, we see anything common we have in the two terms. We can divide both by 3. So take out 3 common. So we get 4x cubed plus 5y squared. And here also we can divide both the terms 12 and 15 by 3. So we get 4x cubed minus 5y squared. Now this 3 times 3 becomes 9. And the final answer will be 4x cubed plus 5y squared. And another is 4x cubed minus 5y squared. Okay, so two more questions we have here. 64x to the power 4. So we can write 8 times 8 is 64. The 8x square minus 625 is 25. Y4 square. The 25 times 25, 625. Y4 times 2, 4 times 2 becomes 8. Now difference for square formula. So a plus b means 8x square plus 25 y to the power 4. And this becomes 8x square minus 25 y to the power 4. And the last one, 4x square y6 minus 25. So we write this whole thing as a square. So we can write 2x and y3 square. Check and see, this should equivalent to this. So 2 square is 4, x square we have, y3 times 2 is y6. Minus 25 is written as 5 square. Now a plus b, a minus b, you have to write a means this bracket. So 2x y3 plus 5, one factor. Other factor will be 2x y3 minus 5. I hope you like this video. Please like and share to our channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.